Hello everybody, how are you? Today we will solve a equation here given that root over x plus root over y equal to 6 and xy equal to 4. Then find out the value of x and y. So we can let's go start here. It is a equation number 1 and its equation number 2. Okay, we squaring the equation 1 we can write here. So we begin by this a from equation 1 we get root x plus root y equal to 6. Squaring the both side we can write root over x plus root over y all square is equal to 6 square. We write here by the equation a plus b all square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write x plus y plus 2 root over x y is equal to 36. Okay, here we can use xy is equal to 4. So x plus y plus 2 root over 4 is equal to 36. Here x plus y plus 2 into 2 is equal to 36. X plus y plus 4 is equal to 36. X plus y is equal to 36 minus 4. So x plus y is equal to 32. Okay, it is the equation number 3. Now we can write by the equation formula a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Okay, so x minus y whole square is equal to x plus y whole square minus 4 into xy. Okay, here we can write all square is equal to x plus y is equal to 32 whole square and 4 into 4. Okay, x minus y whole square is equal to 124 minus 16. Okay, and x minus y whole square is equal to 1008. Okay, we can write here by x minus y is equal to 12 root 7. Equation number 4. Now we can get from equation 3 and 4 plus 4 we can write here 2x equal to 32 plus 12 root 7. But x is equal to 16 plus 6 root 7. It is the value of x. Okay, now we can write the equation number 3 or 4. Again we can use equation 3 from equation equation 3 is equal to x plus y is equal to 32. Here we use the value of x is 6 root 7 plus y is equal to 32, and y is equal to 32 minus 16 minus 6 root 7. Okay, and y is equal to 16 minus 6 root 7. It is the value of y. It is a interesting math. So everybody, I hope that you enjoyed this math, and please subscribe my channel to get new updated video of S class Pathshala. Okay, thank you.